To science up, today we'll be dealing on a mathematical question. As you can see here on the board, this is a short question. Now let's solve it together. Now you know now that when having a short question, how to solve is to multiply the numerator with the conjugate of the denominator and still that same denominator with its conjugate. Now let's proceed. How am I going to do that? That's going to be 1 minus square root of 2 divided by 2 plus square root of 3. Now you know this is the same thing as multiplication. This is going to be the conjugate of the denominator is 2 minus square root of 3. A conjugate of a number, if you have a number 1 plus a plus b, the conjugate is going to be a minus b. Nothing changes apart from just the sign. No, just the sign between them. Now, divided by 2 minus square root of 3. Now, let's proceed to open this bracket. Now, I want to use 1 to multiply everything and use minus square root of 2 to multiply everything. Now, let's proceed. This is going to be 1, open bracket, 2 minus square root of 3, minus square root of 2, 2 minus square root of 3. Now, that's for the numerator. Now, let's proceed to the denominator. Now, using 2 to multiply 2 and plus 3 to multiply 2. Now, let's do that. This is going to be 2, open bracket, 2 minus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 into what? 2 minus square root of 3. Now, looking at this, we've successfully done the needful. Now, let's do everything and then simplify. Now, we have here 1 times 2, 2. 1 times minus square root of 3, that's minus square root of 3. Now, here we have minus square root of 2 times 2, that's going to be minus 2 square root of 2. Now, minus square root of 2 times minus square root of 3, that's going to be plus square root of what? 6. Divided by, now here, let's do the same thing here. This is going to be 2 times 2, here is going to be 4, minus 2 times square root of 3, that's 2 square root of 3. Square root of 3 times 2, that's the same thing, plus 2 square root of 3. Now, square root of 3 times minus square root of 3. That's going to be what? Minus 3. Now, you know from our normal mathematics that when you have square root of a times square root of a, the answer is going to be a. Now, that's the same thing I did here. Now, here you can see here that I have minus. Why? Because it was a minus sign. A plus times minus is what? Minus. Now, let's proceed. We can see here that there is no like term. So, we'll just write it the same way as it is. That is 2 minus square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 2 plus square root of 6 divided by. Now, looking at the denominator, you can see here that we have like terms. Minus 2 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3. They can cancel. Why? Because if you multiply everything, it gives you what? 0. So now this is going to be 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. So the whole solution, now let's proceed to the other side. The whole solution now, 1 minus square root of 2 divided by 2 plus square root of 3. Solving it using the normal way of solving a short question is what? 2 minus square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 2 plus what? Square root of 6. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do well to subscribe to see more of our videos. Thank you.